Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken's Fall Stone Key. First, you'll need to sail your ship to Kraken's Fall Island. Once there, begin your search for the unique stone key. This key is essential for unlocking a hidden vault, which contains valuable treasures. It's a straightforward process to get your hands on some great loot. Finding the stone key is your next step after arriving at Kraken's Fall. This large island holds the key, typically hidden within its central regions. Keep an eye out for prominent rock formations or ancient ruins, as the key is frequently found in these spots. It often has a subtle glow, making it a bit easier to spot among the foliage. With the stone key in hand, it's time to locate the hidden vault. The vault entrance is typically a large, ancient-looking stone door, often blending into the island's natural rock face. Approach the door and you'll find a specific slot where your key fits perfectly. Insert the key, and with a satisfying sound, the vault will open, granting you access. Now for the best part, collecting your rewards. Step inside the newly opened vault and you'll discover a bounty of treasure. This can include piles of gold, valuable trinkets, and sometimes even rare, sought-after items. Quickly load all your newfound riches onto your ship. Once secured, sail to the nearest outpost to sell your collected treasure and enjoy your earnings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.